Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must start by narrowing your niche and picking one platform you can sustain. Once chosen, validate demand with keyword volume or topic searches so you know why people will buy. Make sure to join 1-3 affiliate programs that match product intent, check cookie length and commission percent. Then build a basic content plan, 3 core topics, 12 content pieces, and a promotion cadence. This first setup gets you into action immediately. Skip perfection. Focus on producing. Now create content that converts by matching user intent. You should produce reviews, comparisons, and how-to posts that answer buying questions. Explain why the product solves a problem and include honest pros and cons. Once done, place a clear CTA and the primary affiliate link near the top and again within the body. That repetition increases clicks. Make sure to optimize title tags, headings, and internal links for one primary keyword per piece, so search traffic can find you over time. Finish by measuring and scaling what works. You need to track clicks, conversion rate, and earnings per click using UTM tags and simple dashboards that shows which pieces earn. Once you identify winners, scale with paid ads, repurposed videos, and automated email sequences. Double down on the top 20% of content. If conversions fall, audit landing pages, test new CTAs, confirm affiliate links still work, and check for offer changes. This troubleshooting step saves time and revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.